Imagine a world so cold that even the air you breathe would freeze solid before you could take your first step. A planet where sunlight is almost non-existent, where temperatures plunge below minus 220 degrees Celsius, and where a single day could feel like an endless winter that never ends. This isn't science fiction. It's one of the coldest planets astronomers have ever discovered. Far beyond our solar system, about 20,000 light-years from Earth, lies an alien world called OGLETWO 1005 BLG 390 LB. This planet doesn't orbit a bright, warm star like Earth does. Instead, it circles a tiny red dwarf star that gives off very little heat. To make matters even colder, the planet orbits far away from its star, receiving only a tiny fraction of the energy that Earth receives from the Sun. As a result, scientists estimate its surface temperature to be around minus 220 degrees Celsius. For comparison, Antarctica, the coldest place on Earth, has reached about minus 89 degrees Celsius. This alien world is more than 130 degrees colder. So, what would actually happen if you somehow landed there? The moment you stepped outside without protection, you wouldn't simply freeze instantly. Movies often get that wrong. Instead, because there is essentially no breathable atmosphere, and the environment is unimaginably cold, you would lose heat extremely rapidly, your body would stop functioning within minutes, and survival without advanced life support equipment would be impossible. The landscape would likely be covered with frozen water ice and other frozen compounds, creating a dark, icy world unlike anything on Earth. But here's the part that makes this planet truly fascinating. Scientists didn't discover it by taking a direct photograph. It was found using a technique called gravitational microlensing. When a distant star passes behind another star, gravity bends and magnifies the background star's light. If a planet is orbiting the foreground star, it creates a tiny, distinctive signal in that light. From this subtle distortion, astronomers can detect planets thousands of light-years away. Even when they can't see the planet itself, it's like discovering an invisible object just by noticing the way it bends light. Could life exist there? Probably not on the surface. The combination of extreme cold and minimal energy makes life as we know it highly unlikely. However, scientists keep an open mind. Some icy worlds may hide liquid water beneath thick layers of ice if internal heat is present. While there is currently no evidence that this particular planet has such an ocean, studying these frozen worlds helps researchers understand the incredible diversity of planets in our galaxy. Our galaxy contains hundreds of billions of planets. Some are hotter than molten lava, others may be covered by oceans, and some, like OGLETWO 1005 BLG 390 LB, exist in a darkness so cold that they challenge our imagination. Every new discovery reminds us that Earth is only one tiny example of what a planet can be. So here's a question for you. If humans could safely visit any planet in the universe for just one day, where would you go? Let me know in the comments. And if you love exploring the strangest places in the universe, subscribe to Mind Orbit, because the next discovery might completely change how you see our universe.